This third trading week of 2013 comes to a close with investors digesting news that House Republicans plan to vote next week on a temporary increase in the debt limit. Hi, I'm Sayoko Murase. Welcome to the weekly market wrap for January 18th, 2013. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 were higher for the week, while the Nasdaq was about even. Crude oil futures are higher this week, trading around $95.56 a barrel on Friday afternoon. Gold futures are slightly higher this week, trading at $1,686.70 an ounce in afternoon trading. In notable economic news this week, retail sales increased by 0.5% to $415.7 billion in December as Americans bought goods during the holiday season, according to the Commerce Department. The increase was the second since November's 0.4%. Analysts said that discretionary demand for autos, apparel, furniture, and restaurants is solid. In corporate news this week, Ruby Tuesday announced that it lost 7 cents per share during the second fiscal quarter of 2013, meeting estimates. The company lost 3 cents per share during the same period last year. Revenue decreased by 1% year over year to $304.2 million, but it beat estimates of $303 million. Same-store sales increased by 0.3% upside at company-owned restaurants, whilst franchise restaurants experienced a 0.2% increase. Homebuilder Lennar announced that profit for the fourth quarter quadrupled to $124.3 million or 56 cents a share versus $30.3 million or 16 cents per share in the same period last year. Revenue increased by $1.35 billion from $952.7 million. Analysts had expected earnings of 44 cents a share on revenue of $1.26 billion. The quarter also ended with a 4,053 home backlog, 87% higher versus the same period a year earlier. JP Morgan announced that earnings for the fourth quarter were $1.39 a share, beating estimates of $1.19 per share. Revenue increased by 10.2% year over year to $23.65 billion, beating estimates of $24.21 billion. United Health Group announced that fourth quarter profit fell by 1% due to growing medical costs. The company earned $1.24 billion or $1.20 a share versus $1.26 billion or $1.17 per share during the same period last year. Revenue increased by 11% to $28.77 billion. Costs and claims increased by 12% to $20.8 billion. Analysts had forecast earnings of $1.20 a share and revenue of $28.23 billion. Adtran announced that fourth quarter profits fell by 87%. Net income was $3.96 million versus $31.16 million in the same period last year. Sales during the fourth quarter were $139.8 million versus $175.3 million during 2011. This is the weekly market wrap for Friday, January 18th, 2013. Please join us on Monday for the week ahead market report. This is Sayoko Murase for Apparel.com, taking you behind the ticker.